Have you ever wondered why some people getting richer while others struggle no matter how hard they work? The secret is hidden in one simple rule: knowing the difference between an asset and a liability. In Rich Dad Poor Dad book, Robert Kiyosaki talks about growing up with two father figures, one his real dad, another his friend's dad. His real dad, the educated but financially struggling man, the poor dad. Second, his friend's dad, a businessman who became wealthy, the rich dad. The key lesson he learned: the poor dad thought that working hard, earning a good salary. The rich dad taught him that true wealth comes from owning assets. The poor dad taught him that buying a house or a car meant wealth. But a rich dad taught him that the things that put money in your pocket, even when you are not working, is the real wealth. Let me explain you with a simple story, which is, think about this. If you buy a car with a loan, then every month you have to pay EMI, maintenance, and fuel, which is the way the money gets out from your pocket. That's a liability. So, what's the asset? Okay, but if you buy a small rental property that gives you a rent every month, then money comes into your pocket. That's an asset. So it's not about how much money you earn, it's about how much you keep and how much you grow through assets. So tada, the takeaway, punchline. So next time you spend, ask yourself, am I buying an asset that will pay me back or a liability that will drain me? That one shift in thinking could be your first step towards the finance freedom. See you in the next video. I'm Emman and you are watching It's Time to Grow in Every Direction of Life.